this video, I'm going to show you how to hard reset infinix X667. So before we start, I will ask from you to hit on the subscribe button for more notification. So when I upload new video, you can get notification. Hit on the subscribe button right now and let's start the process. First, press and hold on the power button. And second, press and hold on the up volume at the same time, like this. At the same time, let's start. Up volume, power. You must press and hold on them till you see the screen light. When you see the screen light, leave the power and hold on the up button. Now we are going to remove no command. So how are you going to remove this? Press the up volume and the power button at the same time, like this. Press. So let me show you. Press. Sometimes you must press them like 10 to 10 times to 5 times before it will come. So you just keep press on it. Use the down to move and the power as okay. And select web data factory reset. And press power. Factory reset. Power. Check the link below the description how to FRP bypass Google account on infinix X667 without PC. And subscribe right now. Now press power to reboot your phone. Thank you for watching this video.